This is the AI News Flash for April 14th, 7 a.m. UTC. First up, Danish pharma giant Novo Nordisk has signed a strategic partnership with OpenAI for AI-powered drug discovery. Novo Nordisk, the maker of blockbuster GLP-1 drugs Wegovy and Ozempic, will leverage OpenAI's large language models to accelerate new drug candidate identification and clinical trial design. The AI drug discovery market is projected to reach $25 billion by 2030. This follows Eli Lilly's acquisition of in silico medicine and signals an accelerating trend of major pharmaceutical companies partnering with AI firms. Next, Apple's former AI chief Giannandrea is officially leaving the company this week. Giannandrea was demoted last March following disappointing results with Apple Intelligence and persistent Siri delays. His departure coincides with Apple's April 15th stock vesting date, capping a resting and vesting period since his demotion. Amar Subramanya has taken over as VP of AI, and Apple's AI strategy now centers on Gemini-powered Siri and a platform approach rather than building its own frontier models. In space computing news, Canada's Kepler Communications has opened the world's largest orbital compute cluster for commercial use. The system features 40 NVIDIA Jetson Orin edge processors across 10 satellites connected by optical inter-satellite links. Kepler has already signed 18 customers and is partnering with Sophia Space to test distributed software across 6 GPUs on 2 satellites, a first in orbit. With ground-based data centers facing power constraints and geopolitical risks, space AI infrastructure is gaining serious attention, with Blue Origin and SpaceX also pursuing orbital data center plans. Finally, U.S. data center giant Digital Realty is planning a €2 billion investment in data centers in Italy, according to Bloomberg. The move reflects surging AI infrastructure demand across Europe, where digital sovereignty and data center attraction have become national priorities. Italy's government has positioned AI industry development as a core national strategy, and multiple hyperscalers are exploring investments in the country. Hyperscaler capital expenditures are expected to exceed $650 billion in 2026, fueling intense competition among European nations to attract AI data center investments. That's all for this AI News Flash.